Hello. Most TVs sold today are sold with these very minimalistic um, mounting legs. They're made of plastic, and I'll just show you the back part. They don't go up very far on the TV itself, and they only attach to the plastic cover on the back. So if you were to hit a top part of the TV with your arm or shoulder as you go by, the TV wobbles like this, okay? And it's not very secure. Most people keep their TV for many years. These things will last forever, to be quite honest with you. 100,000 hours, which is more than 10 years. So let's say you have this on a table in front of a window or in a bright room. Eventually these plastic stands are going to become weakened, both by the weight of the TV, perhaps by the rare occasion that you knock the TV and stress the legs, and the UV light hitting them is going to degrade the plastic. I don't think these stands are adequate. What I would recommend, if you have a look here, everyone's aware of this perhaps, that you can mount these on the TV, on the wall, which is probably the best place to put them, if at all possible, in your viewing setup. There are 4 holes here for those mounts. If you are like myself, in a situation where you're going to put it on a TV stand and you need to utilize legs like this, I would recommend you order something like I just ordered. These metal stands. They take advantage of these mounting holes which attach to the metal frame of the TV, not just the plastic. And since they're going up here, they're a lot more secure, and it prevents the TV from wobbling. So that's what they look like again. I got them on Amazon. I'm not going to promote the name of them. I guess you could just say TV stand, and you'll probably see furniture along with that search, I'm sure. But eventually you'll find something like this. And these are made of steel. They're bolted together, and I think it's a lot better and more secure in protecting your investment than what these manufacturers are offering. And it's not just LG, all of them, Sony, Samsung, they're all using these same types of legs. And to be quite honest, I think it's just their way of making sure that their product is going to break, and you'll be forced to go out and buy another TV in 5 years' time after you have that wild party and some drunk person hits your TV and cracks off a leg or something. So do what I did and buy these more sturdy legs, or, as I said, if you can at all, mount the whole TV on the wall. Enjoy your viewing. Bye for now.